What should I do if Brookhaven is not working on Roblox?
Hello, Roblox enthusiasts. Are you having trouble with Brookhaven? Don't worry. In this video, we will guide you through some steps you can take if Brookhaven isn't working on Roblox.
Is it a temporary issue?
First things first, check if the issue is temporary. Servers can be down or the game may be under maintenance. Wait for a while and try again. You can also look for official announcements from Roblox or the game developers regarding any ongoing issues.
Check your internet connection.
Roblox games rely heavily on a stable internet connection. If Brookhaven isn't loading or functioning properly, check your internet connection. Restart your router or switch to a more stable connection if possible.
Update Roblox.
Outdated Roblox versions can cause problems with games. To ensure that this isn't the case, make sure your Roblox is up to date. Update Roblox if necessary and then try launching Brookhaven again.
Reinstall Roblox.
If updating doesn't work, the next step could be to uninstall and reinstall Roblox. This can fix potential software glitches that might be causing problems with Brookhaven.
Check your device specifications.
Roblox games have certain minimum device requirements. If your device doesn't meet these, you may experience issues. Check the minimum device requirements for Roblox and see if your device matches up.
Contact Roblox support.
If you've tried all the steps above and Brookhaven still isn't working, it's time to reach out to Roblox support. They should be able to guide you further in resolving the issue. We hope that these steps help you get back to enjoying Brookhaven on Roblox. Remember, sometimes issues can take a bit of time to resolve, so be patient. Happy gaming, everyone!